Project Proposal for the CSX Flat Yard Carmen Training e-learning module. On behalf of the CSX Instructional Design Department, we respectfully present the following project proposal for director consideration and approval. This proposal highlights the components for the Multimedia e-learning module section of the CSX Flat Yard Carmen Training course. During this presentation, we will explain the rationale and gap eliciting the training, target learners, pedagogical considerations, the instructional design and project management model, criteria for selecting the multimedia objects, course delivery and presentation, course outline, the project team, and project rollout plan. As you are aware, CSX acquired a new leadership team in March 2017, which resulted in considerable changes in many long-time operational practices and procedures. One such change was the conversion from hump yards to flat yards. Employees need to quickly adapt to the conversion while maintaining safe and effective operations. A flat yard Carmen training will be implemented for all Carmen who are unfamiliar with flat yard operations. The Instructional Design Department was asked to create the e-learning segment of the course, which will allow the learner to become familiar with flat yard operations in a safe environment prior to taking part in the hands-on field training and assessment. The target group for the Flat Yard Carmen training are current hump yard Carmen on the East Coast from New York to Georgia. This group is made up of tenured and newer employees. The instructional design team will consider the multimedia comfort level of the different age groups. A successful learning experience depends on quality course design that considers the following: a balance between technology and theory, technology relating to course objectives, learning outcomes that are clearly stated, authentic assessments, a learning environment conducive to learning, and content, technology, and delivery choices. The advantage of embedding multimedia in training programs allows for an unlimited array of options available to the learner. However, too many options or ones that are unrealistic run the risk of missing the scope of what the learner needs to perform after the training. The e-learning module is based on the constructivist learning methodology. Learners will view a video presenting familiar and new concepts, take a lesson introducing the new concepts, and perform a simulation where they can safely experience practicing the new processes prior to performing hands-on work in the field. This viewing, learning, doing process provides learners with the confidence, knowledge, and skills they will need in the field. The instructional design team uses this instructional design project management model, which incorporates the ADDIE method in conjunction with the project management lifecycle model. In addition to conducting course design, instructional designers also serve as project managers. This best practice will enable the project team to prevent downtime and errors, ensuring a cost-effective training program. In addition to Level 1 surveys conducted post-course, the multimedia elements will be evaluated by the Learning Object Review Instrument tool. The LORI tool was selected for its ease of use, accuracy, and built-in standards, which allows for a more realistic assessment. The e-learning course will be delivered via training tracks, the CSX Learning Management System. An employee list will be forwarded to the training tracks administrator, who will create and send course assignments to all employees required to take the training, which can be taken via desktop, laptop, or tablet. Employees can take the e-learning course as many times as they feel they need to before taking the hands-on field training. The 1-hour Flat Yard e-learning course will contain the following multimedia learning elements: a video of the Moncrief, Florida Flat Yard operations, an e-learning lesson which presents detailed flat yard information via text, graphics, and audio, and a simulated assessment where learners will build a train using the procedures learned in the lesson. These multimedia elements will enable the learner to gain familiarity, confidence, knowledge, and skills in a safe environment before applying the practices in the field. To meet the deadline, project team members will concentrate all efforts on completing the flat yard training course. The team will meet on a weekly basis to ensure milestones are being met and any potential and existing issues are quickly rectified. Pending director approval, this project will kick off January 2018. The project rollout plan is tight to enable employees in need of training to start the program on March 19, 2018. Due to the hump yard to flat yard conversions, there is a need to quickly and efficiently train employees and get them assigned to their new field locations. This training will allow employees starting the course on March 19th to be working in the flat yards by April 2018. The rapid changes in leadership, procedures, and operations have caused a reduction of knowledgeable and skilled flat yard carmen required to maintain operations and provide quality customer service. To fill this gap, there is a need for safe, effective flat yard training. The e-learning module presented in this project proposal will allow employees to safely and efficiently master the flat yard knowledge and skills required to move on to the next level of hands-on field training. Thank you for reviewing and considering this project proposal.